Hello guys, good evening. How are you all today? How is your holiday? You know, I saw the news in the Philippines. What happened to Cebu this time? The storm in Cebu, there's so many damage. There's some died because of the flood. I hope and pray that the storm will stop already. Anyway, the whole world today is not I feel that the final judgment is near and the second coming of Jesus Christ is near. If you notice what happened the whole world this time, the war, the calamity, the storm, flooded, etc., the fire, like that, and so many maybe because of the people right now don't have God in their life. That's why God is you know what happened in the Old Testament when God angry, he seen the time of Noah. He seen the flood, so many people died in the family of Noah. Only is the one saved that time. This time, so many any kind of calamity, fire, war, flood, storm, earthquake, anything. That's the sign that the second coming is almost coming. Is near. So many calamities happen everywhere. You see the place that there is no flood before. It's the flood this time is very strong. Anyway guys, while we're still alive, we need to put God in our life. Whatever happen, if we gonna die tomorrow, at least we know where we're going after that. And so many this time the false prophet, that's the sign that the final judgment is near. That's all guys. I just want to say good night and sweet dreams everyone. See you tomorrow. Anyway, the weather in UAE this time is nice. It's not hot, it's not cold. It's good to walk beside the seaside beach. But the problem, I've been busy this month lately. I won't be able to go walking beside the sea every weekend because I already have work. My leave is already done last September. And I've been busy with my training. That's why I wasn't able to go walking in the beach. This time we started winter already. Nice to go swimming in the beach. Bye guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Bye guys.